Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain rin tayo ni bell button sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Christian Crosby, Shallow, The Voice Kids Philippines 2024 Blind Audition Pool Performance. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood tong performance niya. Kaya tara, mag-umpisa na tayo. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
I'm really proud.
Wow. Cute.
Tell me something.
Wow. Lamig ng boses ah.
Bata pa, as in bata pa.
Very sweet ng voice niya.
Dalawa?
Kapatid niya isa. Yan o, yung kapatid niya. Nag-audition din yan. Actually, wait lang guys. No? Actually, yung bata, meron na siyang husay sa pag-awit. No? Yung voice tone niya, maganda na. But, siguro yung pag-deliver ng lyrics, yung diction, is kailangan pa niyang aralin mabuti. Para mas maliwanag natin at mas maintindihan natin yung lyrics na binabato niya. Pero yung voice tone na andun na maganda na, practice na lang talaga. Okay lang yan. This is not the end, but ito yung start mo. TV exposure, di ba?
Tapos na?
Experience.
Oo nga, tapos na nga. Oh, hi!
Hi. Hello po.
Wow, you're so cute. What's your name, brother?
My name is Christian Emil Crosby. I'm from Santa Fe, Cebu.
What made you join the Voice Kids?
Made me join the Voice Kids. That way I could help my family. That way we could stop
Wait lang.
renting.
Ang ingay sa sakyan eh. Ang ingay. Alright, continue.
And staying at other people's houses.
To hear you say that you want what's best for your parents, I salute you for that. I respect you for that. You're so good looking, man. You're handsome.
Yes.
You have a voice. You just always keep that same heart. Hey, good job.
It's okay, baby.
Your absolute first accomplishment. You did great. You weren't scared. That's great.
That was so brave of you. Okay? Yeah. We have more exciting blind auditions.
Nice. Okay lang yan, baby. This is not the end. But ito na yung start mo niyan. Practice lang, di ba? Actually, may boses na siya eh. Voice tone, nandun na. But, siguro yung walang is, yung lyrics is, hindi niya na i-deliver pa ng mabuti. Kasi mas maganda kasi kapag kumakanta tayo, yung diction, dapat clear para mas maintindihan natin yung mensahe at lyrics ng kanta. Alright? Practice lang naman. Kasi sobrang bata pa niya guys. No? Ang haba pa ng panahon niya para mapag-aralan yung mga technique sa pagkanta. Nice try. increase my TV exposure, and he is very cute, very handsome kid. Gagawa pa ako ng reaction yan, guys. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.